Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, write the fraction 24 by 36 in the simplest or lowest form. Now, to write this 24 by 36 in a simplest form, firstly, divide this by 4. So, 24 divided by 4 divided by 36 divided by 4, it will be 6 by 9. Again, we can divide numerator and denominator by 3. So, 6 by 3 means 2 and 9 by 3 means 3. This is the only simplest form or lowest form of 24 by 36. That is 2 by